Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Revolution Volatility bands. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Revolution Volatility bands. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 35 different strategies, with 9 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 443 indicators, with 182 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Alright, so today's indicator is the Revolution Volatility bands, and you can see it here on screen. It's actually a full name is the Revolution Volatility bands with contraction signals. And so if I turn off price action here for just a moment, you can see these spots of blue, these thickened blue lines right here. And so basically what those are is those are areas of contraction in the bands. So where you might see a little bit of range taking place as the bands contract in, then you could use those. But we're not going to use those really. Those in general, just kind of a good thing to have on charts, so that way you can be able to get a full picture of everything that's happening. Really what we are looking for is a simple breakout to the downside or to the upside. And so when we get a break of price action to the downside, then we are going to go short. When we get a breakout, price action breakout to the upside, then we are going to go long. So that's how we are going to test it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing. All right, so we got our first signal right here. This was a short signal. You see that got us to take profit pretty nicely there. Then we get this one right here. This is a long signal. That one also gets us to take profit pretty easily there. I was looking at was right here. So sometimes we see this when we get moving average or lines on a chart that interact with price action, is that you'll see that price closes, but does not appear to be on the other side of the band. Let's see. Let's look at our coordinates. So we're looking at right here. The close of that candle is 1.5645. And yeah, if we look over here at the coordinates of the band, then the upper band is at 1.5639. So this candle definitely did not close within the band. But then sometimes we see that this candle right here will open within the band. And so let's see the open of this. So we're looking at the open here. So we're at 1.5645. And you can see that the coordinates of our band was at 1.5648. So this candle right here technically opened underneath this band and then closed to the upside of it. And so it's just a weird little thing that happens from time to time, but something you have to be mindful of, because if you set this for an alert to cross a crossing alert, like say you set it up to where you have an alert that says when price action crosses up above this band, then it will give you an alert. Then it definitely would have done that right here, which would have then given you basically an entry signal into a long trade right there. So, but it would have worked out nonetheless, getting you to take profit to the upside. So, all right, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way this doesn't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, you'll get access to our Patreon only channel, where we're posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay puts up almost everyday market analysis, where he puts up screenshots of charts on multiple different time frames, and he marks out areas of support and resistance indicators that he's using, exactly where he's entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. He's growing small accounts really quickly with the information that he's putting out for everyone to see. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you will get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. Shows exactly which ones are winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. You also get access to the full list of strategies that we have tested, an Excel sheet that shows exactly which ones were winners, losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. And lastly, one new thing that we've been doing is our admin Rob has been posting everyday scanner alerts. These are crypto and Forex scanner alerts that he uses himself. These are his own personal scanners he uses to be a profitable trader. As he gets alerts to the scanner, he posts them in the channel for all the patrons to see and take advantage of those trading opportunities. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Highly recommend it. All right, so let's go back here and take a look at what we got going on here. There, okay, there, and there. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we have 19 trades altogether. Not a bad number of trades by no means. Let's see what we got for winners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 winning trades. So that is going to get us to the 60% criteria. Not a bad indicator at all. I prefer indicators like this far more than I do the single line type baseline indicators. And that's because this gives you just a little bit of room to keep from getting faked out in the market where you just get pinballed back and forth. Now, there are a few moments where that does happen in heavy consolidation right here, but for the most part, this kept you out of the market until the market was actually moving in a specific direction. So that's really kind of a valuable thing to have there. So yeah, this one's going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.